Hi folks, Adrian here from Electronics for Fun. What I'm going to show you today is a speeded up video of how I made a robot arm. Now the kit that I'm putting together is the robot arm. Now I bought this from Rapid Electronics in the UK, but I have seen it everywhere. You can see it on eBay, Maplin sell them as well, all in the UK. It's the version of the robot arm that has the levers. Now you can buy two versions. This one's about £35. You can get another version that you plug directly into a computer with a USB interface. They're slightly more, I think they come in at £15. But I intend to use other electronic devices to control this, so I didn't need the USB controller. And if you're interested in going down this route and you change your mind later, you can, well from Rapid, you can buy a USB controller that you build yourself. I think it's about £17–20, something like that. So it works out roughly the same. So I'll give you a quick demo of the complete robotic arm and how it works, and then there'll be a video that's sped up. I'll include the whole thing. Essentially, I think it took me 2 hours 20 minutes to put together ish. So if I speed that up to 10 times its speed, that's still going to be 12 minutes. So you might want to flick to the end. It's up to you. It's up to you. Hope you find this of use and catch you in the future for some more electronics videos. There's essentially 5 controls on this. You've got what's labelled M5, which is the rotational control of the robot arm. You've got M1, which is the jaws. I don't know if I rotate those around a bit more so you can see them on the camera. You can see the jaws. If you over tighten the jaws, you'll hear them click. Now I'm not going to keep going because I don't want to strip my gears out. I think it'll be alright for a while. M2 is the next motor down. You can see that it rotates up and down. M3 is the next motor. So essentially you've got a motor here on the side which controls the jaws. This motor here controls this pivot, and then this one's the next pivot. So you can see as I work down all the different motors, and I'm controlling this motor here now at the base. Okay, and M5 is the left and right. The only other feature, if I get that to look up, is the light. Hopefully that will show up on the camera, where you can have the light on at the same time. So, like I said folks, the kit is £35. Hope to have a bit of fun with this. You have to build it all from scratch. Essentially it comes on injected molded sprues. You get an instruction booklet with it, and each of the instruction booklet tells you, like an Airfix kit or something like that, how to put it together as you go through. I found it easy to put together. The only thing that you will need to watch out for is that you don't over tighten the screws, because if you do and you're a big thug like me, then it is possible to strip the plastic because you're giving too much force. But just be aware that as soon as you get resistance, time to stop, because most of the screws are self-tappers. So 2 colours it comes in, the injected moulded, I'll call it dark grey, it does look black on the box, and the other one is yellow. All the wires to the motors are pre-done and colour coordinated, so you know which one goes where. All the gearing as well is colour coordinated, so you know which cog goes where, and I don't think they could have made it much easier than it is. So I would recommend it. It's fairly strong. I mean, that's a decent, let's use my pliers, that's a decent pair of pliers that you can hold any device and move around at the same time, and then should you want to release them, you just open them up. Okay, so like I say, I'll include now the video of me putting it all together from scratch, cutting it off the sprues, and so on. So I hope you found this useful, folks. I intend to do lots of videos, electronics projects wise, but it'll probably be whatever takes my fancy, rather than a specific schedule that I'll follow. So if you feel like it, subscribe, and I'll catch you again soon.